Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Viotek monitor suddenly shows a no signal message and the screen stays blank even though everything seems connected, it can feel confusing especially when you are trying to work, game, or simply turn on your setup. Sometimes the monitor powers on normally but refuses to detect the computer, while in other situations the message appears after switching cables or restarting the system. This problem can happen because of loose connections, incorrect input source settings, graphics issues, or devices failing to communicate properly. The good thing is that a no signal message does not always mean something is broken, and in many cases, a few quick checks can bring the display back to life. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Viotek monitor no signal problem. Try these. Step 1. Check the cable connected to the Viotek monitor and make sure it is attached securely on both ends. Step 2. Change the input source on the Viotek monitor to match the cable currently being used. Step 3. Restart the computer connected to the Viotek monitor to refresh the display connection. Step 4. Try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable with the Viotek monitor to rule out connection issues. Step 5. Inspect the graphics connection linked to the Viotek monitor and confirm the device is sending video output. Step 6. Turn the Viotek monitor back on and check if the screen detects a signal normally again.